Assalamu alaikum, grade 1, and welcome to your social studies class. And I'm your ma'am Umama. And in yesterday's class, we started with the topic that is my family, right? Okay. So we started with the basically we started our social studies class with the very basic things. We started from myself, then we talked about my school, then friends, and now we are talking about the family, right? So what we are doing basically, we are learning that how we can introduce all of the things, all of the relationships that are related to us, right? Okay. So in yesterday's class I told you that there are different types of families. Can anybody name what were those types, or what were those types depending on? Yes, anybody? Depending upon their family members. Okay. Like your grandparents. Okay. Like a stepmother or a stepfather. Adopted child, very well done. Then a family with no kids, or a family with a single kid, right? Or a family with a lot of kids as well, right? Okay. And then we also talked about some small families, and there are some big families, right? Okay. So we have discussed all of these things. Now today we will start today's class. We will be moving a little forward, and in today's class we will basically discuss how we can introduce our family to somebody. Okay. So let's start with the your topic, which is in your book, page number 10. We will first read this, and this Hassan has introduced his family, and from there you will get an idea that how you can introduce your family. Okay. So let's meet Hassan's family. Okay, Hassan says, there are 5 people in my family. Now, there are a lot of ways to introduce your family. This is not important or compulsory that you are supposed to introduce your family in the same way Hassan has introduced. You can use different things. You can add something. You can remove something. It depends on you, that what you find important, what you find that this is important to tell somebody. Let's say you think that if your grandparents are living with you, this is very important to tell somebody that your grandparents are living with you. Or if you do not want to add that, it's up to you, right? Okay. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother, and me, so they are total 5. My grandmother and grandfather are also part of my family. When I was a baby, my parents did everything for me, right? So he started from his childhood, that in his childhood his parents do everything for him, right? Then there are some beautiful family pictures of Hassan's family. See, in this photograph, Hassan is standing with all of his family members, including his grandparents as well, right? And you can easily recognize them. This is grandmother, this is grandfather, this is Hassan's sister, Hassan's mother, then Hassan's another Hassan itself, and then maybe they are Hassan's grandmother, again grandmother and grandfather, and then Hassan's father. So this is a family photo, a cute family photo, right? And then in this picture, which is on the bottom of the page, this picture is maybe from Hassan's childhood, in which Hassan's mother is feeding him, and then there is a picture in which Hassan is playing with his parents, right? He's very small, and his parents are holding his hand, and so that he is walking happily. Now let's turn the page. On page number 11, he says that now I do most things for myself. He talked about his childhood, and he says that in his childhood, because he was very small, so he was dependent on his parents, right? But now, because now he has grown up, mashallah, so he do most of things for himself. Like I also help my parents, and beside doing his own works, he also help his parents in their work, right? Like you can see that he's sitting on a dining table, and he is helping his mom in serving or setting the table, and here he's helping his father in washing the car. So he's a very good child. And then he also says, I share things with my sister. He's also a good kid because he knows that sharing is caring, and he's sharing stuff with his sister. In the first, he's sharing football with his sister, and then he is sharing chips with her sister. Okay, so Hassan is a very good child. So you have get an idea, right, that how you can introduce your family. So you can use the same way, or you can use it different as well. Now let's watch a video, an interesting video of a family tree, through which you will get a very good idea through how you can introduce your family, and then I'll ask you about your families. Okay, so let me share the screen. Class, show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you. Okay, is it visible to all of you? Okay, very well done. Let's watch a video.
I am Sajal, and that's my family.
I am Ali, the grandfather.
I am Nadia, the grandmother.
I am Hassan, father.
I am Isla, the mother.
I am Ahmed, the uncle.
I am Uzma, Sajjal's aunt.
I am Anusha, the sister.
I am Saban, the cousin.
I am Nazi, the cousin.
Is Ahmed and family coming?
Shortly, the dinner seems to be ready too.
The dinner is ready.
Smells great.
Come out of the bathroom. Dinner is ready.
Okay, coming.
Where are the kids?
They are walking behind.
Let's be quick. Because I am really hungry.
Let's go. Time for dinner.
Waiting for Ahmed and all to arrive.
I think they are here.
Yes, finally.
Hello.
One.
We are here.
Hello. Looks like there is yummy food.
So everyone is here. But where is Sajal?
I'm here. And that is my family. We all eat together.
Okay, so you have seen Sajawal's family. Sajawal is having a big family, right? The type of families that we have discussed in yesterday's class, from if we categorize Sajawal's family according to that, Sajawal is living in a big family in which he is living with his grandparents and his uncle, aunt, and his cousins are also living with him, right? Okay, and he beautifully introduces his family. All of the members, they came one by one, they introduced themselves, and then they also talked about that they show a beautiful scene in which it was dinner time and the mother cooked delicious food for all of them, and all of them were around, and then they collected them, the grandparents, they were waiting for the kids so that they can come and they can dinner together, right? This is a family thing that people love to eat together, right? On the dinner time, on the lunch time, the grandparents or the parents want that all of their kids should be with them so that they can all eat together. Okay, what happened in most of the families that breakfast cannot be done together. Why? Because let's say the kids are leaving for the school at 7, now the father is leaving for his office at 8, and the mother can do breakfast with the kids or with the husband, right? So the breakfast is usually not a family time. Yes, there are families who live together and then they can have a good family breakfast as well, but usually the dinner is a part of is a time on which most of the family is together and they have a good family time. Okay, so now you have seen two people introducing their families. You have seen Hassan and you have seen Sajawal as well, right? Okay, now tell me, if somebody asks you to introduce your family, how will you introduce this? Yes, one by one. Yes, Ahmed. How many family members do you have? First, talk about that. Okay, five. Now name them. Who are they? Grandparents, your mothers, sorry, your parents, and then one sibling. Okay, fine. Yes, Alize. Your grandparents do not live with you. Okay, your parents and your two siblings. Okay, anything else you want to add? Anything special about your family? Wonderful that you always travel together. Very well done. Okay, yes, Alize, what about your family? Okay, you have six family members. Mashallah, you have a big family. Okay, how many siblings do you have? Three. Okay, and your grandfather lives with you. Okay, that's good. Any special thing or anything that you want to add? Very well done. That you okay? Listen, that Alize is a helping child because Alize helps her mother in all of the home tasks. She, what are the tasks that you perform, Alize? In setting the table, okay. In food serving, very well done. cleaning the house. Excellent. So Alize do a lot of home tasks, right? So similarly, you have seen that everybody has adopted a different method for introducing their families, but the important things or the main points are same. That all of you have talked about the family, the number of members that you have, and then you have talked about what are they, right? And then there is something special or a family thing that you have discussed. So that was all for today. What we did, we talked about how we can introduce our family, right? Okay, so do revise this at your home. Ask your siblings about how introduce your family member, and then see that how they introduce, what is the method they adopted, what are the things they included in that. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the class. Do share the video with others, and see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.